Today, let's talk about Skin1004 Madagascar Centella ampoule. Come on, I had to do this review because I knew that the ingredients are very small, crisp, and it's the best Korean product that I have ever encountered. I myself have used this product and I used it all over my body. It improved the hydration, it calmed down my dry skin condition. It had reduced the transepidermal water loss. My skin had been replenished and it had become back to normal. The main active ingredient in this formulation is the Centella extract that has been derived from Gotukola or Madagascar site. It is a plant-derived extract which is high in antioxidant properties, it shows anti-inflammatory properties, it helps with the healing purpose and usually used for calming your ruptured skin. There is a saying that all the Korean skincare has been formulated with Sika creams, Sika formulation, Sika. So whenever you see this ingredient as the Madagascar or Madagascar acid or something like that, that is the Gotukola plant, that is the Sika Centella asiatica. So before we jump into the ingredients, I would like to introduce myself. My name is Ashwini Priyadarshini Megur, also known as Avi, and I'm a PhD student in the field of biology. I make skincare related videos, I also do drawing videos and also everyday vlogs. So if you like these kind of videos, make sure that you click on that like button and also subscribe to my channel and also click on that bell icon so that you can be updated whenever I come up with a new video. All the details about where to purchase this product has been mentioned in the description below. Please go through all the links and check which site is comfortable for you to purchase this product from. Now let's talk about the ingredients. Now when I was checking the ingredient list, it was so crisp and small, no bullshit ingredient, it was straight to the point, well formulated, and its main purpose is before the serum application and after cleansing your face. So it's something in between step between your clean face and a serum application, which acts as a toner, which acts as a ampoule or a small molecule containing the Centella asiatica extract, and that is actually going in the deeper layers of your skin to help it to regenerate. So the first ingredient here is water, then there is glycerin, then there is butylene glycol. Glycerin and butylene glycol are humectants. Humectants are the molecules which attract the water from the surrounding and help it to penetrate. It helps in the moisturizing purpose. Then there is Centella asiatica. It is, as I mentioned, it's an antioxidant, helps to calm down the redness caused by acne, and it is really excellent for treating or healing the ruptured skin. The best part about this formulation is that it doesn't have any comedogenic ingredient in the higher percentages. It doesn't have comedogenic ingredient in general in its formulation. So it is good for oily skin type as well as dry skin type. The dry skin type can use it for the ruptured skin. The oily skin type can use it for reducing the redness or the inflammation caused by acne. Then there is 1,2-hexanediol, that is a preservative, solvent, humectant, and a texture enhancer, all in one all-rounder ingredient. But you have to understand that in this formulation there are high amount of humectants. Now when there is high amount of humectants, if it doesn't get water from the surrounding, it starts to draw out water from the deep layers of your skin. So you need to have a damp skin when you are applying it. And when you are applying any skincare formulation on a damp skin, the penetration is better. It is just because the water becomes a carrier molecule taking the active ingredients with it to the deeper layers of the skin. After that, there is ethyl hexyl glycerin, which is also humectant and also acts as a solvent and texture enhancer, but it does even have preservative properties. I actually love this formulation as it is very straightforward. That is it. These are the ingredients, just 6 ingredients or 7 ingredients, and that is it. It's so straightforward, so easy formulated, and it's so good for all skin types. Caucasian skin of color can use it. It is not restricted to only Caucasian skin type. It is excellent for all skin type. The formulation is well done. It can be used as a serum. You can replace your serum and start using it. It will show the hydration has improved on your skin. Excellent benefits, easy formulation, simple formulation, and I absolutely love it. In conclusion, I think the Korean skincare does know what they are making, especially Skin1004. I have tried both of their ampules and I absolutely love their ampule formulation. The probiotica is also good. I made a whole video about it. You can check it in the description below. And also this Centella ampule. It's just so simple. It's just so excellent. And it's just to the straightforward point. Any skin type can use it. That is like the best part. And not all the companies make something that all the skin types can use it. And that is where the Korean skincare takes the crown. So yeah, that is pretty much it. If you have any questions, write down in the comment section below or else reach out to me on my Instagram handle. And also, if you want me to make any review about a product, mention it in the comment section below so that I can work on it. I will see you soon in another video. Take care and bye.